Hello, welcome to your DATA³ toolkit. This time it's number 15, the Data and AI Innovator. How can you drive innovation using data and AI? As the founder of DATA³, we're a global award-winning data and AI consultancy, and I've worked on 200 plus data projects for 80 plus organizations. So I've seen a lot of innovation done good and a lot of innovation done bad. So that's why we've created this toolkit. This toolkit is free for you to use, acts as a checklist, and it's part of a suite of 18 super simple practical guides on data and AI topics. And it's designed to help you get things right so you don't forget things. This Data and AI Innovator is designed to ensure you can successfully drive innovation using data and AI. Great innovation is built within a creative, innovative environment. It starts from new angles, it inspires everyone, you filter and explore the best ideas, and you decide which ideas to take forward. So in this toolkit, we're going to talk about the challenge, why is innovation so hard, the context, how do you set the scene, and the process of innovation. So why is it so hard? Right? Why is it hard to innovate? Well, if it wasn't hard, we'd do it all the time and we'd be innovating all of the time. It's the hard that makes it amazing. It's the hard that gives you that huge opportunity to create a competitive advantage that means you might be able to leapfrog your market. The problem with ideas and innovation and opportunities is sometimes you feel you've got so many huge volumes of ideas, and then sometimes you don't feel you've got any. And the most important thing about innovation is you can't expect to innovate by doing things in the same way that you do your everyday work. So if you're doing your business as usual in the same office, same location with the same people, you can't expect to innovate in that same way. You need to create a different innovative environment. So firstly, when it comes to thinking about innovation within your organization, I'm a big fan of setting the scene, setting the context. Start with your stakeholders, share the vision, share inspiration, like where kind of really share examples of great things that are happening outside of your organization, outside of your market, outside of your country. Really go wide and find things that are just going to inspire you. Think about bringing different people in. Think about using inspiration from all different sources. Really important that you get everyone in a different mindset. And then align what you're doing with your data and AI strategy as part of the toolkit's number one, data and AI strategizer. You need to show it's all joined up. When it comes to the process, we've got a number of steps we recommend that you go through. The first one is change it up. Don't just do this in your office, in your same old room. Create an innovative environment for people to work in. Make that space really different. Think about it differently. And we've got all sorts of kind of ideas here in your checklist that you can have a think about of ways that you can make people think differently and come at things from different angles. Go big, really encourage people to go big with their ideas, go crazy, kind of really set the expectations that you're looking for big, bold leaps, not just small marginal kind of gains. Go wide, encourage people to not just think within your current organization's remit and or your sector. And then focus back, then kind of filter the ideas for the best ones, create a criteria to kind of really focus down those ideas, then rate and rank them, and then decide which ones to take forward. Now, I read this quote yesterday, which was around ideas are a commodity. It's the execution that is the hard bit. So this is at the point, the ideation is easy, although it can feel hard sometimes. But executing ideas, that's where the magic happens. You then need to build your solutions and then launch it. So this is where you need to follow that process all the way through to delivery. So there you go. That's your innovation toolkit, and it's part of our full 18-step DATA³ toolkit. Have a go, get going, use our checklist to make sure you've covered all the right things. And if you want a free 45-minute consultation with me or someone in the DATA³ team on your data and AI transformation, we'll be delighted to do that. Book that in through the link.